Hello students, today we are going to learn new thing, that is relation between mean, median and mode. Relation between mean, median, mode. In the 14.1 we did mean and 14.2 mode and 14.3 median. We know how to find. Okay. Now what is the relation between these three? Okay, we have one relation formula, that is also 3 median is equal to 3 median is equal to 3, this one median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Some questions is given 14.2 and 14.3. Yeah, find all means like mean, mode in the 14.2 first to 1 to 4. And 14.3 to 3 questions is asking all mean, median, mode for the data. Okay, yeah, that is the relation. First to find out median is very simple and mode is very simple. Mean how to find? Using this formula, this relation you can do it. We know 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Then we will find out from this mode also. Right here, mode is equal to this 2 mean transpose this side is 3 median minus 2 mean. Clear? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Then what is the next one? This mean will find out. 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. 3 median minus mode. Here this is called empirical relation between mean, median and mode. First one I will repeat again. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode, and mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, and 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. This is the relation. Using this we can find. Actually mean finding is very easy. If you know median and mode, very simple. Clear children? Because median finding is very simple and mode finding is also very simple. Mean formula we have to use direct method. Otherwise you can go with the second method. Okay, that is step deviation method. Clear children? This is the relation between all three: mean, median, mode. Students, now we will go for one example. Okay, that is exercise 14.3. First sum is given class interval and frequency. The question is asking find mean, median and mode. Okay, using the relation formula we will do now. What is the simplest thing we have to find in this is mode. First we will find out mode. Mode formula we know, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the mode formula. Clear? Now what are the values? Write first. F1 means, I told you previous class, F1 is equal to highest frequency, that is a 20. F1 is 20. Then F0 is preceding to it, it is 13. Next F2 is succeeding to 20, it's a 14. Then H is equal to class size, it is 20. Then what is else in this? L value. L is equal to lower boundary of model class, that is 125. Clear? Okay. Now applying this, directly applying this, 125 plus F1 value, it is 20, minus F0 value 13 divided by 2F1, 2 into 20 minus F0, F0 is again 14, and here F2 is, what is answer? F2 value 14 and F0 is 20 and here 14, then again H value is 20. Clear children? Now applied in this 125, already we did this one, again I am explaining. 20 minus 13, is a 7. Here 2 20s, 40 minus, what is 20 minus, so minus 20 minus 14, it is minus 34 into 20. Then again 125, no change, plus 7 into 2, multiply 7 2s are 14, 140 divided by 40 minus 34, 40 minus 34.